Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Mod Watchers channel. And guys, today we have a very special piece here to show you. This is the Batgirl GMT mod on the Seiko NH34 movement. So this is one of our very good sellers. It's a very popular mod that we sell all day every day. And guys, just take a look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. So if you're into your ceramic bezel GMTs, this, apologize for that, a truck's just going past. So this is going to be right up there, guys, if you want to get yourself a nice mod that looks really nice, looks sporty, and also is very functional, because you've got a GMT hand here which is working. You've also got the rotational bezel, you've got a date window at 3 o'clock, you've got the Mercedes hands. So yeah, you've got a lot going in this watch. So this one comes on a Jubilee bracelet, so it makes it the Batgirl. If you want the Batman, we can also do that as well. That it comes on an oyster bracelet. So I'll just show you one of these other watches that I've got here. So this is an oyster bracelet. We can put it on that bracelet as well. We can even put it on a presidential bracelet if that's your thing. So if you do want to have a chat about what we can do, and if you really want to make your piece yours, you can contact us on the WhatsApp link in the description below and have a chat with us. This one is really heavily stickered up, so I'm not going to take the stickers off to show you, unfortunately, because this is for a customer. So I don't want to take any of the stickers off now. But yeah, this is a very nice piece, guys. I'll just show you a bit more. Take a look at that. Shines quite a lot. Obviously, when you compare it to something like a fluted Datejust, it's not going to shine as much, because there's so many, there's so many crevices in this bezel that it's just going to shine even if you're not intending for it to shine. But this does have a lot of shine to it. Obviously, the ceramic bezel will give it that shine as well, but the dial inside is actually just like a very it has a bit of a sunburst effect to it, but it's mainly just black. And then, as you can see, guys, it has the working GMT hand in the blue as well. So yeah, guys, this is a very nice stealthy piece. If you're just getting into mod watches, I would highly recommend that you go for a Submariner, and then a second one, if you want to go for something, I would say go for this one, because it's really a versatile piece. So yeah, just wanted to show you this piece. It is available in if you go into the description, you'll find a link to this on our website. You can place your order there. It's usually about a 4 to 6 week wait to get this built. So yeah, if you're happy with that, you can place an order. If you want to discuss some changes, or you want to create something a little bit different, you can also let us know in the WhatsApp line below, and we'll be more than happy to help you guys out. All right, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you next time.